AMALearning, you're about to. Specification point 2.7. Demonstrate an understanding of the use of percentiles charts to monitor growth. To successfully answer any GCSE question linked to this specification point, you will need to interpret a percentile chart and state how percentile charts are used. Percentile charts are a tool used to monitor growth by comparing an individual's measurements, such as weight, height, and head circumference, to a reference population. Percentile charts are used to compare growth of an individual against the standard growth pattern. For example, a baby in the 50th percentile is exactly in the middle. 50% of the reference population is smaller and 50% is larger. In other words, out of 100 babies, 50 will be taller and 50 will be shorter. If a baby is born on the 25th percentile, 75% of the reference population is taller, 25% will be shorter. This means that out of 100 babies, 75 babies will be taller and 25 will be shorter. Babies' growth is measured frequently, especially in the first few years of their life, to ensure they're developing within a healthy range. If a baby's measurements deviate significantly from their previous percentile, for example dropping from the 75th percentile to the 10th, it may indicate a health concern, prompting further investigation. If, however, a child remains on the 10th percentile since birth, it is less of concern. Let's try this GCSE style question about percentile charts. A 10-year-old boy has a height of 140 centimeters, which is the percentile range for height for this boy. So the question has given us 2 points on the chart. The boy is 10 years old, so let's draw a vertical line going up from age equals 10. The boy's height is 140 centimeters. So let's draw a horizontal line starting from height equals 140 centimeters. The two lines cross over in between the 50th and the 75th percentile lines. The question asked for the range, which means the answer is between the 50th and 75th percentile line. Let's try this GCSE style question about percentile charts. According to what we have learnt, percentile charts are a tool used to monitor growth by comparing an individual's measurements, such as weight, height, and head circumference, to a reference population. The key parts of the learning being to monitor growth and to compare an individual's measurements to a reference population. If we compare our learning to the mark scheme, we would have got full marks. It is only a 1-mark question. Either of the key parts of the learning would have got us the mark. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.